What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. If you guys are not familiar with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a like and a share. It will help me out so very much. We are the littest channel on here, so you guys should definitely go ahead and hit subscribe. It will help me out so very much, and I would appreciate it so very much. So for today, I have a really laid back kind of video. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face at all, and we literally aren't gonna be going in with makeup today. I literally didn't even want to do my face. I was like, I'm not having it with makeup today, so whatever, we're right, might as well just talk about a haul. And I've been wanting to do this haul because I know that Halloween stuff can get extremely expensive. Like if you go to Spirit Halloween or a Party City kind of store or just anything, they can have a bunch of stuff and it's like pretty expensive. And we can't just be spending money all on this Halloween stuff that much like that, right? So I wanted to show you guys a little haul from the 99 cent store that literally of everything I've gotten for this year's Halloween. And I really wanted to show you guys so you guys can go cop your last minute things at the 99 cent store, because honestly guys, they got some really good deals and it's really worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this haul. So I have all my stuff over here, so let's go into it. So first things first, gems, guys. Gems can be used all year round. You guys know that Swarovski crystals are expensive. They are so expensive. Like a couple Swarovski crystals can be like $10, or literally like 10 Swarovski crystals can be like $10, or like even more, I don't know. But I know they're expensive as hell, and I'm always using crystals for Halloween looks, for rave looks, for festival looks. That's always my thing, and I'm always using them. So I like to be stocked up in them. And I've gotten so many at the 99 cent store, guys. Literally, all of these have been 99 cents. Like, see, some of them are already open because I've been using them. But look, literally all kinds, all sizes. I use these for a couple of my makeup looks, like my skull makeup look or my Mad Hatter look. You'll see a couple things that I've already used. So look, so literally, and they're just like little rows of gems, but I just peel them off the little rows and literally stick them on my face. Super easy, just a bunch of designs, a bunch of colors that literally, and sizes too. So we have the little ones, we have like bigger ones, and just different sizes and stuff. And these literally have come in clutch, like super clutch, guys, because I'm always wanting to add things and accessories to my face. So literally these have literally just come in clutch, and they're just so good. Like different sizes, different shapes. Moving right along. For Halloween looks, you know, you gotta have like some ears, some Halloween ears. So look, these are some devil ears, and I've had a couple of them, so let me show you. These are some devil ones. You guys have seen this one. This is from the Mad Hatter, the little hat. This I literally got at the 99 cent store. Like, aren't these like the cutest? Because it literally went hand in hand with that look. I got this one. I haven't used it yet, but I am planning on using it. And it literally is like 3 skulls with the little thing on top. And you could also put it to the back. You can use them for whatever. You can be very creative with these. Like, you can make like a dead zombie girl and put this on her head. Like, I don't know, maybe a voodoo queen, like with these skulls on her head. I haven't used them yet, but I'm still planning on using them. Hopefully I have enough time to get all these videos out for you guys. But yeah, these ones. And then I also have like some Medusa ones. Like, I'm telling you guys, there's a bunch of them out there. They're literally $1, and they can literally add so much to a costume, to a makeup look, to anything. And it's very inexpensive. And I know at the Halloween store it's super expensive. So I'm telling y'all, hop on, get on that, letting you know. Moving on to some accessories. So I found a couple accessories at the 99 cent store. Look, this is like a little choker, which would be tight for like a vampire. Ooh, I hope you guys can see that. Like that, you see? This would be perfect for like a little vampire look, or just anything, honestly, like a Black Widow kind of look. Like this could be used for a lot of things, and it's literally $1, guys. Like, look at that. And it's just like a little choker that can add so much to any makeup look. I'm telling you. And then I have a couple other ones like these ones. You probably saw my skull look, and I use this around my neck, so it's kind of just like another kind of choker, and you literally can just put it around your neck and just have it like that for a little Dia de los Muertos look, or like just a little skull look. Anything, a vampire look, it will work, you know. Another accessory I haven't not used yet, but hopefully I will get to use for a later video. I did this. I saw these at the 99 Cent Store, and I thought these would work out for such like a school look or whatever kind of look that just pops into my head. And they're very Halloween-y. They're little school earrings, which is cool. You know, just little accessories to add to your costumes are really awesome. And even better if they're cheap, right? And like you're gonna use them like what, once, if that, maybe you'll reuse them next year, but honestly you only use them for a couple days, maybe once or twice, 3 times throughout the month. So these literally work out so perfectly, and they're so perfect for anything, any Halloween events, costume parties, raves, festivals, because I know there's a lot of festivals that are for like Escape, Freaky Deaky. Those are all Halloween festivals, and you can always accessorize with little things. Thing I found at the Halloween store that is very necessary, like if you like to do like gory stuff, but spray blood. This is literally just spray blood, and you just spray it on you, and it's blood. So you can use this for any gory look, you know. I like to just have that in hand for anything, any kind of makeup look that I'm going to do that's gory. Love that, as well as vampire blood. So this one's just a little more, it's not thick, but it's a little more like, what's it called? I guess it's a little more thick than the spray blood, but this one you can kind of drip down your face and have it dripping. So these are 2 types of blood I've gotten from the 99 Cent Store, and blood can be very expensive, guys, if you go to like the Halloween stores. Another thing that's actually super duper expensive at the Halloween store, it's super expensive, guys, because I've gone this year, literally, I went to the Halloween store and I was like, okay, I need some prosthetics. I want some prosthetics to have just in hand. And I went to see the prices, and they were literally like, one prosthetic was like $10, and it was like a little simple prosthetic, or like 15, 14, 20, and I was like, are you serious? Like, I literally got these ones at the 99 Cent Store for $1. You guys probably saw this one being used. I put it on here like as a bite mark, and I was like all bloody for my slit makeup look. But I literally get these. You just stick them on with some liquid latex, make them look all bloody and stuff, and you literally have a prosthetic. And they have these at the 99 Cent Store, and they have different ones. They literally do. They have like these. I only have these 2, but they have different ones that you can pick from. So definitely a steal, guys. Do not go to a Halloween store for these, because you can literally find the same thing at the 99 Cent Store. This isn't like makeup related or like Halloween makeup related, but these are so cute. So I have a little Yorkie. His name is Romeo. He's a little teacup Yorkie, and I saw these at the 99 Cent Store. They're little shirts. Look at this little skull shirt, and he literally, I've been putting these on him all month long since I found them. This is a little skull one. This one says Police K9 Unit. And then he has one on right now. Let me go get him. All right, guys, I'm back. So let me go ahead and show you his little shirt. Hi, Romeo. No. So, hey, Roms, I'm gonna need you to chill out, bud. I'm gonna hold him like this in front of my face. But his little shirt, look at it. Look at how cute his little shirt is. It literally says, it's like a little purple shirt that says cute is my costume. And it has like little candy corn and pumpkins. Like, look how cute. Aw. He's literally been wearing these all month long since I found them. And they were $1 each. And I should have gotten more. I only got 3, but I should have like stocked up, because they're the cutest little things, and they're literally his size. He's a very small dog. He's only like 4 or 5 pounds, like he's tiny, but these one fit perfectly on him, and I honestly love that. And they're just like a cute Halloween thing, you know? I love Halloween stuff. Like, I just love Halloween. So, yep, this is my puppy Roams. He was not having it with me. He literally dipped out. He said, I'm gonna head out. Glue sticks, guys. You can't go wrong with glue sticks for Halloween looks because you literally sometimes have to conceal your brows out of certain looks. So glue sticks have always been a good to go kind of thing, and you can get literally a 2-pack for 99 cents at the 99-cent store. So just putting that out there for my girls that want to conceal their brows for Halloween. Go get yourself a glue stick. And also another necessary thing, little sponge pads. These are little makeup pads, like the little triangle ones. These are perfect for like liquid latex and stuff like that, because you can literally just reuse them and not reuse them, but use them and then throw them away. Disposable, that's the word, disposable. Literally, you can get anything at the 99-cent store, guys. You name it, you can get it. Also, another thing I wanted to talk about was lashes. So, I seen these 2 pairs of lashes at the 99-cent store, which I thought they were just so perfect, because you know when you get lashes from just anywhere, like dollar store lashes or lashes that aren't too expensive or like are just really cheap in price, they can be really plasticky, really not the best quality kind of lashes. I like them to look more fluttery, more natural, all that good stuff. So I thought these were just a great steal because they brought them in for Halloween, because the theme on them are Day of the Dead, and they're faux mink false lashes. But the thing I liked about these were that they're very natural looking, very fluttery. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the only thing that literally drew me to these lashes were that they looked very good quality. So these ones are just really natural. This one's a little more dramatic, and I honestly stocked up on these, guys. They only had like, I want to say like 10 of each of these at my dollar store, and I copped them all because not only are these perfect for Halloween, but these are so perfect for me that I do other people's makeup, and sometimes they don't really wear lashes, and I tell them, oh, like you can bring your own lashes, and they'll bring me like plasticky ones, which I do not really appreciate or like. I'd rather just use something that's a little more fluttery and more natural, and these were literally perfect. So now I can offer lashes to anybody. Literally, I stocked up on these. I got all of them that were in stock there, and I took them all home because I just thought they were really nice and the quality was there. So I really liked that, because you always gotta have the quality there, you know? And I'm just like putting that out there if you guys want to go see. And then I think this is the last thing I have. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's the last thing I have. So I saw these at literally the 99-cent store, and I was like, these are so cute for like a skull look or maybe a rave look. Like you can just add little details to it. So these are like glitter tears with a liner and just like some lace gems with some gems. Perfect. It comes with gems, like the little glitter tears I love. I honestly, like, that's the thing that gravitated me more to these, was those like glitter lower lash lines or glitter tears, whatever you want to call it, but they're so cute. So I got 2 pairs of these, and they literally stock up with new stuff all the time. So you should definitely go check out their stuff and see what you can find, what you can cop. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween 99-cent store haul. And honestly, think you should go check out your local Halloween store, because guys, 99 cents where it's at. They got the bargains for you, and I know Halloween stuff can get expensive. Literally, and you're gonna wear it for what, 1, 2, 3 days in the month. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope I see you on my next one. Definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It will help me out so very much. As well, turn on the little notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. Don't forget to leave me a little comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see. That would be very helpful, and I love y'all so much if you did. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.